So, Redhill lift tour. Guys, the first lift is a Stanner lift. I'm just gonna call it right here. So, Redhill lift tour. Guys, the first lift is a Stanner lift. I'm just gonna call it right here. Lift. Ground floor.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
Wait, it was recording. Okay, the next lift is a lift tech, and we're going to go to the basement. Door's gonna close in a second. Yep. Weirdly, there's no door close button. You can barely feel it moving. There's a mirror. Hey.
You want to record this?
That didn't sound correct. Here's another Stanner lift inside the underground car park. I'm gonna call it here. Now we're at the Evans lifts in M&S. Gonna press the big up button. We're in. We're gonna go on car park level 3. That's so satisfying. It's so dark in here. Oh, moves immediately after the doors close. Here's the mirror. Handle I don't dare touch. It's really shaky. So shaky. Okay, we're in. We're up. Doors opening, please. Yeah, we're up. Here is the main Otis elevator. It's a scenic elevator. And we're at the top floor. Counterweight, by the way. It's a really nice looking counterweight. Just called it. Now we can go in.
Going down.
Just jump to go all the way to ground, right?
L. Large.
Okay. Doors are closing. Look like a real weirdo here. Here we are going down. Really fast, actually. That's a counterweight. That was fast. Now I've called the lift here because we're not directly on the ground floor. So here it is. There are people inside it, or not. Yeah, bye. Here we have found one, and we're gonna press L again. Doors closing. Now we're going down. It's fast. Trust me, it's fast. Whew.
Lower shopping and high street.
Doors opening. We are in the gym and gonna call it up. And we're in. Nice. Looks like, oh, Mitsubishi elevator. Nice. Press it. Nice beeps. Here's the mirror. Oh, I feel it. Nice display. There's the emergency phone.
Door opening.
That voice. Yep, and we are out. Up here.
And that's where the gym is.
That's where the gym is. Call it to get back down. Nice light. There's the indicator up there. And wait for the elevator. Okay. It's going to open in a second. Yep, we're in. So many beeps. Now we're going to press ground. And door close. Door close button actually works on this thing. Most elevator door close buttons don't do a thing. Looking at the mirror again. Shanghai Mitsubishi Elevator Co. Limited. Or .com Limited.
Door opening.
That does not have a different Stanner. This is a Stanner lift and this is the last lift. I'm gonna call it. Wait for the doors to open. Okay, here we are. If I get stuck in here, I'm on my own. So up here, doors are closing. Hey! Selfie. Okay, now this is a bit loud. That was fast, yo. That was extremely fast. Okay, this has been Spring Pipe 4317, signing out. A couple old Stanner lifts. Oh. So, top floor? Top floor. Okay. Oh, you feel that? There's a mirror. Stinks in it.
Yeah. Again, we are in Redhill. Redhill stinks.
Stanner. Oh. We're up here. Doors, please. There we go. Doors are open. Okay, we are in the same lift. We're going back down. Floor 1. Lights pretty dirty. There we go. An old Stanner left in the Redhill station. Windows down there. I'm guessing it's here.
Door opening.
Yeah, and we're going to take it back down.
Doors closing.
Go slowly so people go too fast.
Alarm button's way down there. Why are there 2 alarm buttons?
Ticket office.
Okay, and we're back down. That's loud.
Doors opening.
Thank you, bro.